Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, driver's side remote mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, remote start, premium sound system, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.